Samsung's supply chain has revealed plans for mass production of the upcoming Galaxy S25 series. The company intends to manufacture around 22 million units by mid-summer, with the Galaxy S25 Ultra comprising roughly half of this total. Component suppliers have been informed that Samsung plans to produce approximately 22 million Galaxy S25 phones by June, with around 11 million units being the Galaxy S25 Ultra, 6 million units of the standard Galaxy S25, and 4 million of the Galaxy S25 Plus. According to the Elec, Samsung's production roadmap estimates a monthly output of 2 million units in December, 5 million in January, 4 million in February, 3 million in March, and 2 million each in April, May, and June 2025. With just 3 months remaining until the highly anticipated launch of the Galaxy S25 series, leaks are already giving us a sneak peek at what to expect. While the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra was revealed a few months ago, there had been some uncertainty regarding the camera layout. Now new information has cleared up the confusion, increasing the excitement. Renowned tipster Ice Universe has revealed that the camera rings on the Galaxy S25 Ultra will resemble those on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This means the rings around the camera lenses will be black, featuring concentric circles. The overall camera layout will remain largely similar to that of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. As reported by our colleagues at Galaxy Club, Samsung has internally codenamed the Galaxy S25 series as Paradigm. For reference, the Galaxy S23 was codenamed Diamond, while the Galaxy S24 was known as Eureka. The Samsung Galaxy S24 series may rank among the best smartphones of 2024, but their design doesn't give a cohesive family appearance. However, this is expected to change with the launch of the Galaxy S25 series next year. Leaker Ice Universe shared an image of what appears to be Galaxy S25 dummy units, shown in the header. While they look quite convincing, it's likely they are mock-up models since the phones aren't expected to launch until early next year. The image displays only the front of the phones, confirming rumors we've heard so far. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is moving away from the sharp corners of its predecessors, adopting soft curves similar to the base and Plus models. As a result, the Ultra no longer stands out as the odd one in the lineup. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus appear mostly unchanged from their predecessors, but rumors suggest they will be slightly shorter, slimmer, and narrower. All 3 models may feature textured camera rings, though that detail can't be confirmed from these dummy units. What they do suggest, however, is the possibility of thinner bezels, which aligns with recent rumors. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra appears to have flat sides like the other 2 models, it's rumored to feature an asymmetric design that no leaks have accurately depicted so far. This design change is expected to enhance the device's ergonomics. The most striking detail in today's leak is the thinner bezels, which give the phones a more streamlined appearance. The cohesive design across the models is also unexpectedly satisfying. Samsung's upcoming phones will be the first to launch with Android 15-based One UI 7. Earlier today, it was revealed that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will boast even slimmer display bezels than Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max, which is already praised for its incredibly thin bezels. A new report also highlights that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature thinner camera rings compared to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. According to Ice Universe on X, the camera rings on the Galaxy S25 Ultra are just 2.4 millimeters thick, a noticeable reduction from the iPhone 16 Pro Max's 4.3 millimeters camera hump. This difference is clearly visible in a comparison image. Leaked renders from earlier this month also reveal that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a profile of just 8.2 millimeters, making it 0.4 millimeters slimmer than the Galaxy S24 Ultra and 0.1 millimeters thinner than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The thinner camera rings are likely a key factor contributing to Samsung's sleeker flagship design. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.